Do you know what a non-fried instant noodle production line at HICOCA looks like? Let me show you today. This is the dough maturation process. It allows water to penetrate to the interior of the protein colloidal particles to the maximum extent, causing them to fully absorb water, swell, and adhere together to form a gluten network. Through low-speed stirring or resting, the internal stress of the dough is eliminated, stabilizing its internal structure. It also plays a role in uniformly feeding the dough to the next compound pressing process. Next is the rolling process. The loose dough is rolled into fine, thin sheets of the specified thickness. The sheets must be of uniform thickness, smooth, without broken edges or holes, with uniform color, and possess a certain degree of toughness and strength. The number of rolling passes is closely related to the rolling ratio. Appropriately increasing the number of rolling passes can reduce the rolling ratio, which is beneficial for the longitudinal distribution of gluten in the dough strip. Then comes the shredding. The dough sheet is divided into distinct shreds. The steaming process. This has a significant impact on the noodle's texture, rehydration properties, oil content, color, and transparency. The steamer features a 5-layer, multi-layer design, extending the steaming time, improving product gelatinization, and saving space for a more rational layout. The cutting process. Steamed noodles from the machine are rapidly cooled and then fed to rollers equipped with cutting blades. Each rotation of the rollers cuts the noodles to a specific length. The noodles are then shaped into blocks. The hot air drying and cooling process. A blower and a steam-heated fin radiator are used in combination for segmented, circulating drying, ensuring uniform drying and low energy consumption. Finally, the noodles are cooled to near or approximately 5 degrees Celsius above room temperature.